another interesting tutorial from Fun with Canva. So in this tutorial we're going to recreate this which I did earlier on, and let's get started. So we'll create a new page. We'll go to text. We'll add our text in caps. Attractive. Go to here, we'll choose Anton because it's a nice sort of thickish text for what we're doing. We'll increase the size to about 122. Okay. Come over to elements and choose a square. We'll enlarge the shape to just cover over the word. Change the color to black and change the text to white. So now that we've done that, we will download that, and then we can delete that. In our uploads, click on our upload, change the color of the page to another color, click on the image, go edit image, favorite background remover, wait for the tick to appear up there, go apply, wait for the tick to appear up there, and then what we do is we go to the recently used and I'm going to choose this one here, red rose background. Before I choose that, I'm just going to enlarge this to fit the size of the page. Drag this down. So she'll select this one here, click on it, bring it inside the boundaries of the image text. So you can see there's a gap here all around. Go to layers and send to back. So you can see there that the red rose is now behind the word. Change the page color to black. Click on that, download it. Just delete that page. Go to uploads. Click on uploads, load the image in. Go edit, background remover again. When we're happy with it, go apply, and we'll just reduce the size of this. Okay, so there you have it. Attractive text. So what we'll do now is we'll just add in all this background and other bits and pieces. So we'll come over here to elements and we'll click on the video, Falling Petals of Rose with Alpha Channel. And what I'll do, just bring this up here, expand this out, drop it down, sort of move it around to get the desired location. and send to back. I'll also drag this female in. I feel really good with the hairstyle, cropped short. Oh, beauty. Again, go here, edit image, background remover. Go apply. And you can see that lady is now in there. Increase the image up just past the text there. Bring it roughly into about the center. And what we'll do with her is we'll click on shadow, we'll click on glow and glow again, and we'll bring the size of the glow up to about 15, maybe a little bit, yeah, about 15 for this one. Transparency up to 100, no blur, and we'll change it to pink. Alright, and we'll go apply, wait for the tick here to appear. Does take a little while sometimes. That noise in the background there is my computer. Been using it too much, it's overheating. So there we have it, it's the tick. So we'll just drag that out. Drag that up. Adjust it there slightly. And we will send it backwards behind the text. Alright, so we have the glow there. So what we'll do now is just grab this or highlight this attractive text. We'll tilt it to about 40 degrees. We'll enlarge it. Roughly to about there. Good enough. And again, what we'll do here is we'll go to glow. We'll press glow and glow again. We'll do about 5, transparency 100, blur 0, and change it to pink. Go apply. Wait for the tick to appear again. And as you can see, there and there looks roughly about the same. So here we'll go drop to put a drop shadow to it. Click drop again. I offset it to 1 and blur 1 and put a pink shadow to it and go apply. Okay, so you can see there it's roughly about the same. So now we'll add in some rose petals. So again, I'll just go to recently used. I'll click on this red rose petal here. Add that. And what I'm going to do is just add this up here in the corner. Reduce it slightly. And then I'll come down here and I will go to edit image and I will go here, adjust, and I will go to blur and I'll blur it slightly, just like that. And then I'll do the same. I'll just click off it, click on it, I'll go duplicate, I'll come down here and I'll just rotate this, drop it down, enlarge it out, and that'll be about that. Then I'll come over here, use falling rose petals, or rose flowers I should say. Click on that, and as you can see I positioned it here and here. So I'll come up here, just position it roughly about there. What I'll do is I'll go into layers and show layers, and I will drag it down behind the lady so you can see it up here. I'll duplicate that again, and I'll put some here, as here, and I'll drag that down behind the text, and then I'll put these ones in about there. So that is almost it. So with the video background, what I'll do is click on the video background, come up to transparency, and just drop the transparency down slightly to about 70. And then there you have it, how to create attractive text. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you for now. Bye bye.